Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to use Keyframe Graph in CapCut on your phone to make your animation smoother and more professional. Let's get started. Step 1, once you open the CapCut app, tap the clip you want to animate, move the playhead to the start point, and tap the diamond icon to add a keyframe. Step 2, now move the playhead forward and adjust your clip. For example, zoom in or change the position. CapCut will automatically add another keyframe. Step 3. Tap the line between the two keyframe and you'll see the graph option. Tap it to open the keyframe graph editor. Step 4. Select a style like is in or is out, or even use a custom curve for full control. Step 5. Tap play to preview. You can go back and tweak the graph until your motion looks smooth and clean. And that's it. That's how you use a keyframe graph in CapCut on your phone. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more video tutorials.